Thousands of people are rushing to buy the new Insta360 X5 action camera. But my analysis shows that a massive chunk of them are actually wasting their hard-earned money right out of the gate by choosing the absolute worst accessory combinations. Do not let a simple beginner mistake ruin your brand new camera setup and drain your wallet. Today, we are completely dissecting the Insta360 X5 Essentials Bundle to see if it is actually worth your investment or if it is just a clever marketing trap designed to make you spend more. I'm going to show you the exact 2 pieces of gear in this box that make your footage look like you have a professional drone operator following you everywhere. One specific accessory that you might have mixed feelings about, and most importantly, right in the middle of this video. I'm going to reveal a legitimate method to get free official Insta360 gear when you buy your camera. Let us get right into the breakdown. When you first open this box, you are greeted by the camera itself. And rather than boring you with endless specifications about resolutions and sensor sizes, let us talk about what actually matters to your daily life. The image quality here means you can shoot everything in ultra-wide 360 degrees and then easily crop out the best angles for your social media platforms later, and the sharpness will still completely outperform your standard smartphone front camera. You literally cannot miss the action because the lenses are recording everything around you all at once. But the camera alone is not enough to get those mind-bending shots. Which brings us to the actual soul of this bundle, the Invisible Selfie Stick. This is not just a standard piece of metal. It creates a brilliant optical illusion. When you attach the camera and walk around, the software completely erases the stick from the final video, deceiving your viewers into thinking you have a personal drone hovering right behind your shoulder. It is the easiest way to get third-person cinematic shots without needing any actual camera operation skills. Now, before we talk about the one annoying flaw in this package, let us look at the lens guards. The 360 lenses bulge out on both sides, making them incredibly vulnerable to the elements. If you run this camera bare and accidentally drop it on concrete, your expensive gadget is instantly ruined. The lens guards included in this bundle act as a vital insurance policy for your equipment. They snap on instantly and protect your investment from scratches, dirt, and fatal drops. However, to be completely transparent with you, I was fully expecting them to cheap out on the packaging. Usually, starter bundles throw in a flimsy cloth pouch, but I was genuinely surprised here. The Essentials Bundle includes a remarkably sturdy, custom-molded carrying case. It locks the camera, the stick, and the guards perfectly in place, meaning your gear will easily survive being tossed around in your backpack. That being said, if there is one minor flaw I have to point out because this case is so robust and structured, it is a bit bulky. If you are someone who likes to pack ultralight and just stuff a camera in your pocket, this sturdy case will take up a noticeable chunk of space in your bag. But for the protection it offers, it is a trade-off I gladly accept. But wait, remember that secret method I mentioned earlier to get extra gear? Let us talk about whether this Essentials Bundle actually makes financial sense for your specific needs. If you were to buy the camera by itself, and then realize you desperately need the Invisible Selfie Stick to get those drone-like shots, and then later have a moment of panic and buy the lens guards separately to protect your lenses, your total cost is going to skyrocket way past the bundle price. Buying them together saves you a significant amount of cash that you could use for travel expenses or gas money for your next road trip. But do not pay the standard retail price you see everywhere else online. I've worked directly with the brand, and if you decide to pick up the X5 today, I have a specific way for you to get a much better deal. If you use the link I pinned right at the very top of the description below, the system will automatically apply the Insta360 0x5 coupon code INRA5G at checkout. You do not even have to type it in manually. Not only does this secure you a discount, but it also triggers a system feature that gives you free accessories, like an extra battery or a mounting bracket, depending on the exact products you choose to add to your cart. And for full transparency, if you use my link, it helps support the channel with a small commission. But it does not cost you a single extra penny. In fact, you are the one walking away with a discount and free gear. It is a complete win-win situation that allows us to keep making these objective reviews for you. A lot of people hesitate to buy a 360 camera because they think it requires a degree in filmmaking to actually use it in the real world. They worry about the massive effort required to edit the spherical footage. But the reality is, setting up the gear from this bundle takes exactly 5 seconds. You twist on the invisible stick, snap on the lens guards, and you are ready to hit record immediately. But that is not even the craziest part of the workflow. The real magic happens after you finish recording your adventure. When you open the Insta360 app on your phone, you do not have to spend hours scrubbing through footage trying to find the perfect angle. The app has a built-in AI editor that analyzes your entire video, automatically finds the most exciting moments, frames the subject perfectly, and edits it to the beat of the background music for you. You are practically outsourcing the hardest part of content creation to artificial intelligence. You just point, shoot, and let your phone do the heavy lifting. It completely removes all the friction between shooting your adventure and actually posting a high-quality video online for your friends to see. Ultimately, the Essentials Bundle is the most logical and secure investment for the vast majority of people starting out with the Insta360 X5. It provides the exact tools you need for cinematic shots while providing a surprisingly high-quality case to protect the hardware from accidental damage. Do not forget to grab your discount and free gifts by clicking the link in the description and pinned comment, where the Insta360 X5 coupon code is INRA5G is applied automatically. But having the best camera gear means absolutely nothing if your final exported video looks blurry and pixelated when you upload it to your social media accounts. Click on the video on your screen right now, and I will show you the exact export settings you need to make your Insta360 footage look incredibly sharp and professional in under 3 minutes.